In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Lovable Dev code. Start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. You're looking for the official Lovable Dev website in the results. When you click through, make sure the branding and layout match what you expect so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign in. Use the same account you normally use for your Lovable projects. If you see a prompt to authenticate, complete that first so you have access to your workspace. After you land on the Lovable home screen, look for the Projects area. This is the hub where all of your applications live. Depending on your account, you'll either see a list of your recent projects or a grid showing all your applications. If you don't immediately spot the one you need, switch views or scroll until you find it. The project cards typically display the app name and a few quick actions. On the project card you want, locate the three dots in the corner. This opens a context menu with additional actions. Choose Open in New Tab. Opening it in a new tab keeps your dashboard available in case you need to jump back and reference another project. With the project open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the GitHub icon. This indicates the project is connected to a GitHub repository. Click that icon to bring up the GitHub options, then select View in GitHub. This will route you directly to the repository associated with your project. If you're prompted to sign into GitHub, go ahead and do that so you can view the repo, especially if it's private. Once you're on the GitHub repo page, find the green code button near the top of the file list. This is where GitHub provides different ways to access the repository. Click the small arrow or drop-down next to code, and from the menu, choose Download Zip. Your browser will start downloading a compressed zip file of the entire repository, including folders and source files as they exist at that moment. When the download completes, you'll find the zip file in your default Downloads folder. From there, you can open it to view the code locally or extract it to work with the files in your preferred editor. If your download is slow, give it a moment. Repositories with many assets can take a bit longer. That's it. You've navigated from Lovable Dev to GitHub and downloaded your project's code as a zip, ready to explore or modify on your machine.